Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. Premature aging is a serious problem because it disrupts your appearance. There are many ways you can do to treat wrinkles on your face, ranging from natural ways to using drugs. However, you must be careful when choosing a treatment to treat wrinkles, because if you do the wrong treatment, your face will be more damaged. One of the natural ways to overcome premature aging is to eat fruits that have antioxidant content. Eating foods that are rich in antioxidants, fiber, water content, and nutrition will have an impact on the body, especially the skin. Having smooth, healthy, and youthful skin is certainly a dream of many people. Here are some antioxidant-rich fruits that are good for skin health. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries contain an antioxidant called anthocyanin. This fruit also contains vitamins A and C. Anthocyanins are a type of flavonoid that gives blueberries their purplish-blue color. This compound has strong antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and age-related diseases. Blueberries are a great fruit for youthful skin, as they can protect the skin from damage caused by sun exposure, pollution, stress, and prevent collagen loss. Some studies show that blueberry consumption can improve cognitive function and improve skin elasticity, all of which can contribute to its anti-aging effects. 2. Grapes. Grapes are known to be rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Antioxidants serve to maintain healthy skin, as they play an important role in protecting the body from the effects of free radicals that can cause various diseases. Each 100 grams of grapes contains 25 nutritional components needed by the body, such as vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, and others. A study shows that grapes are proven to have phytochemical compounds that are very beneficial to health, such as flavonoids, phenolics, and resveratrol. This content can help protect collagen from free radicals. Collagen that is maintained will be able to work well in maintaining skin elasticity so that the appearance looks young. 3. Papaya. Papaya is known to treat digestive problems, but this fruit can also be used as an alternative in solving skin problems. Papaya is rich in vitamins A, B, C, and antioxidants, making it effective in helping to maintain healthy skin. Papaya also contains papain and chymopapain enzymes that help prevent skin damage from free radicals and as an antibacterial. Because of these enzymes, papaya makes skin cell defense stronger and less prone to damage. The benefits of papaya for skin health include helping to brighten dull skin, maintain water content in pores, and accelerate the recovery of damaged skin cells due to acne or wounds. Papaya can also help lower cholesterol, reduce the risk of cancer, reduce the risk of heart disease, protect the liver, and its low glycemic index is good for diabetics. To prevent various diseases or health problems in old age, you can start living a balanced lifestyle and diet. Certain types of fruits have anti-aging properties that can make the aging process healthier and more natural. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.